Hey, FST students, Mrs. Landon here. One of the things the classes are starting to hear from me now as we start off second quarter is how I'm going to be grading a little bit different in second quarter. The math department decided that we are going to go everything in the formative category and nothing in the summative category for second quarter. The reasoning we're planning on doing this is if we were to go full distance learning, it really brings more equitableness to our testing environment because everyone would be testing at home with open notes. So what we're doing to accommodate for if we do go full distance learning, just in case, we won't have any 80% summative tests anymore. We're still going to have tests. For us, for FST, a second quarter, we're going to have 2 tests, one in chapter 3 and one in chapter 6. What you're going to find is I'm going to take those points for that test and put it into the formative homework category. Meaning it's basically just going to be based on total points. Now, what you're going to find though is I'm going to amp up the points for the test. It's not going to be a 20-point test. It's going to be something where it's going to be a lot more points for your test for chapter 2. It's going to have to balance off with your homework. So what you're going to find is in general, it's probably going to be more of a 50-50 split, that the test points for that chapter are going to tally up to be about 50% of the homework will be the other 50%. It could be more of a 60-40 split. It just depends. So possibly the test points that you're going to be in that category will be more like 60% and homework will be 40. Overall, if you are someone that procrastinates on homework and doesn't get it done on time, or you miss getting homework in, here's what this means to you. It is going to be a huge difference if you do not have homework assignments in the Skyward system. So delaying on homework or not doing homework at all will really nip you in the butt this time, you guys. So for second quarter, get your homework in by the deadline. If you're missing homework points, you're going to see a huge difference in your grade. It's going to impact it. If it's a 50-50 split between homework and tests, missing various homework assignments is going to really start to impact your grade versus when we were in the 80-20, missing homework didn't impact you as much. So please make sure as we start second quarter that you get the homework in and you meet the deadlines. Remember, typically our deadlines for our formative homework is going to be when we do that blue puzzle piece. Do plan on having about 2 blue puzzle pieces per chapter. In chapter 3, we're going to have 2 blue puzzle pieces before we have our final assessment for that chapter. Let me know if you have any questions. This is nothing to be concerned about. It just means stay on top of your homework. If you don't stay on top of your homework, then you need to be concerned and really focus and make sure that you get the work done on time so you can get the homework points because they're going to mean more to your grade in second quarter. Have a great start to the quarter and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.